Good morning, guys. Dave Santarelli here from BreakingChartAlerts.com. Well, what a debate last night. It was messy, it was brutal, and it was pure attack mode by both parties here. Chris Wallace, I think, did a horrible job moderating. Everything was all over the place, and that sent futures dropping by over 300 points here. As you can see in front of us here, we have the Diamond ETF pulled up. Futures were down 300 points at its lowest last night there, and it was pretty brutal. So since then, we had some numbers come out here. Private companies added 749,000 jobs. These are numbers coming out from ADP. 749,000 jobs added for the previous month here. There was a jump in construction, hospitality, utilities. So 749,000 jobs added compared to the 600,000 that they were expecting. So that's a good sign. And since those numbers came out, that's why we're seeing this climb here. So the purple here, first off, over here to the left, this is regular market hours. The purple here is after market hours, and the green is pre-market hours. So as you can see in the green here, we're picking up since those ADP job numbers came out in the private sector. And then also we have news on GDP. So GDP here, that was just announced. Quarter over quarter, USA GDP was 31.4%. It grew 31.4% on Q2 versus Q1 versus the 31.7% that was estimated. Prior, it was 31.7. So not too bad of numbers coming out here. As you guys know, tomorrow is the job numbers. So we'll be looking at that at 8:30 tomorrow morning. Fed's barking, says banks still seem pretty healthy. Not much news going out there. The big news this morning, guys, Disney is laying off 28,000 people. They're cutting 28,000 jobs across the nation here, especially their Disneyland resort in California. It remains closed. That's their flagship spot there, resort. And that still remains closed in California there. So Disney's cutting 28,000 jobs. ADP just came out and said private companies are adding 749,000 jobs versus the 600,000 that was expected. Markets are somewhat flat. We're down about, 100 points here now, but we're still climbing in the pre-market hours here. So it's really important during these next few weeks here and going into election, markets are going to remain volatile. The best thing to do is trade small, trade little, look for quality over quantity. That's really important here. So I'm going to be making our watch list here for us this morning, and I'll be sharing that in the trade room with you guys shortly here. And we'll be live in about 45 minutes. So I'll see you guys soon. I hope you guys have a great day. And remember, class is tonight. So if you're not a member, get signed up right now. Go to www.breakingchartalerts.com. and you guys could sign up. And if you guys would like to sign up, all you need to do, go to breakingchartalerts.com. If you're on our homepage, you guys could go to join now, click on membership plans here, and get signed up with us. And remember, classes are every Wednesday, 5 p.m. Today's class is going to be covering covered calls. So I'll see you guys at class later on, and I'll see you at 9:30 shortly. Hope you guys have a great day. Remember, be patient, be disciplined, follow the trade plan. Alrighty, guys, I'll see you shortly. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.